Let's have some Cynful cracked chicken tonight. I'm going to start out by spraying a 9x13 baking dish with olive oil spray. And then I'm going to cut about 4 strips of bacon into lardons, those little bitty pieces. Now I've got 6 ounces of cream cheese, and I'm adding some of the Cynful ranch seasoning, and then I'm mixing it up until it's nice and smooth. Season your chicken with salt and pepper, some garlic powder, and some onion powder. We're going to toss that chicken so that seasoning's coated. Now we're moving over to the stove. We're going to throw that bacon in a preheated pan on medium. We're going to cook it till it's crispy, and then remove the bacon from the pan, leaving the fat. We're going to set that bacon aside. We'll use it later. I'm adding some olive oil and some butter to that pan. Same pan with that bacon grease in it. Then I'm going to add that chicken. We're going to cook it until we get a nice little crust of brown on both sides, just like that. Pull that out. And when you pull that out, go ahead and pull the juices out of the pan as well. Put the chicken in your prepared baking dish and pour those juices right over the top. Now remember that cream cheese mixture? We're going to spread that over the chicken as evenly as we can get it. Next, we're going to top that with some of that bacon, about half of the bacon that you made. And then we're going to finish it off with some cheese. Can't have enough cheese on there now, can we? Put that in the oven and bake it for about 15 to 20 minutes on 400, and then use the remaining bacon to top it with a little bit more bacon. Bacon makes everything better. And that's all there is to it. There you have it. That's Cynful cracked chicken. Super, super easy recipe. And I do have a link to a printable recipe in the video description. But here I'm going to show that recipe to you right here, right now. I'd like to thank y'all for joining me in my kitchen this evening. Please like and subscribe, and as always, have an awesome day.